When most people hear Midland, Texas, they think oil. And sure, energy has built the foundation of our economy. But what if I told you there's a new story unfolding here? One that's shaping where people live, how they invest, and what our city will look like in the next decade. Hi there, I'm Alli Moore, your Midland go to girl for all things real estate in Midland, Texas. And today we're going to dive into what is really affecting our real estate market beyond just oil. Midland's always been tied to oil, but 2025 is showing a shift. Energy still matters, it's our bread and butter, but it's no longer the only driving force that affects our local housing market. Over the last few years, we have seen diversification in jobs, steady population growth, and people are choosing to stay here long term as opposed to coming and going with our booms and busts. And this has created a ripple effect, stabilizing prices, boosting neighborhood development, and attracting investors who once ignored our little corner of Texas. So, what's driving Midland now? Let's break down the four biggest forces I'm seeing behind this shift. Number one, infrastructure and growth projects. From new interstates and business parks and residential expansions, infrastructure spending is shaping where people want to live. Neighborhoods that used to feel too far out are suddenly prime real estate. And areas like Mockingbird, 158, North Midland, they're all growing super fast thanks to better access and new developments. Number two, medical and educational expansion. Healthcare is quietly becoming a major economic driver. Midland Memorial Hospital, Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center, and Midland College are all growing, bringing in hundreds of professionals, students, and staff who need housing. That means more demand for modern rentals, townhomes, and mid range family homes within a short commute. Number three, small business and entrepreneurship. One thing I love about Midland is our grit. We don't wait around for big corporations. We have a huge rise in local entrepreneurs, from boutique shops and fitness studios to restaurants like Cork and Pig or St. Blaise or Tokyo One. This wave of local businesses is making neighborhoods livable and vibrant, not just convenient. Number four, remote and lifestyle buyers. This might be a bit of a surprise trend. People moving to Midland for the lifestyle. Thanks to remote work and cost of living elsewhere, families from Austin, Dallas, even California are trading traffic and chaos for space, community, and affordability. They're buying updated homes with land, pools, and peace, not just profit potential. So, what does all of this mean if you're looking to make a move? For buyers, this is your chance to get in before the next big boom. With the infrastructure development and new employers coming in, your potential for appreciation is huge, especially in North and West Midland. Make sure you look for homes in where there's new schools or in medical corridors. That's going to be your best long term investment potential. If you're sellers, you no longer are competing on just price, you're competing on lifestyle. Make sure you highlight what makes your home livable: the backyard, neighborhood amenities, convenience. Buyers who are coming from out of town want to be sold on that welcome to Midland energy, not just your square footage. Here's my prediction. Over the next 5 years, Midland's real estate story is going to be less about oil prices and more about quality of life. We're seeing a rise in hybrid professionals, entrepreneurs, medical workers, and families who are seeking stability over speculation. That's the heartbeat of this market. When people say Midland's just all about oil, I smile because those of us who work here, live here, we know that Midland is so much more than that. If you're curious where you fit into this new chapter, please reach out. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing, I would love to help you figure it out. Make sure you also go to my website, moremidland.com, sign up for my emails. I love to keep people posted on not just the housing market, but fun things happening in Midland, whether it's seasonal finds or neighborhood tours, listing tours, things like that. So follow me on Facebook, like and subscribe, check out my website, and I will see you guys next time.